Wow, the seat is so nice and fat. That was third. Comes up so easy, it's geared so low.
Yeah.
It's pretty washed out. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you're going to be able to make it.
Fucking tires.
I was like, it's pretty washed out.
I'm stuck in this rut and it won't turn.
I'll get down a little more.
Oh, fucker. Well,
Can you get up?
it's on my leg.
Alright, hold it. Hey, fuck.
Hold on. God damn it. These tires.
A few moments later.
Look at that big sumbitch.
Ready?
Yeah. No. Yeah, I guess that's right. So it's brown to red and green to white. Where did they come through now? Here?
Yeah.
Gray's left. There must be a hole or something for water in the bottom for them to be coated. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
It's got a little groove. See this? It won't do that. Someone had a fender delete on mine and then the guy bought the original. This has to get taken off. I get the honors.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ah, look who's here. What's going on?
A few moments later.
Not sure if those anti-vibration things did much. Yeah, maybe a little bit. You get that little bit of vibration at 55, 60. Yeah, everybody's got the good balance game. Don't put your feet down till you stop. Ah. What's going on here? Ah, some mud trucking. Uh-oh. If you have Renthal bars and you order a set of these, bars are so thick it's not 7/8 on the inside. I think I had to take off about 35 thousandths for it to fit inside the tube. That's right, don't put your feet down. Oh, the road is lava. Where the hell's he going? Good idea.
First one's pulling in.
I see him. Yeah, it looks so much better without that long fender thing.
Yeah.
Huh. Took you a little bit to get it to 0. What happened?
It's only my second time.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
There's one of them little moped things.
Got Yoshi on it. You're sick, dog.
Come on, focus, focus.
What's up, man? This one? Or this one?
You don't trust anybody with leaving the helmet outside?
I got like $1,000 worth of electronics on it. Raindrop.
Falling on my head.
Looks like we're heading into the rain a little bit. Maybe take that left up there and take the back road. It's raining again. Yay! Alright. I want some corn on a cob, he says. It's not gonna rain, he says. Sunshine! 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 There's the sunshine. He's dirt biking it. Hang on to her, Chris. Hang on to her. Oh, shit. Hang on to her, Chris. Shit. Damn. The road's pretty rough. Nice. What'd you do?
I did a 180.
That was a good one. Jeebus. These roads are tore up. Oh, good save. Chris is dirt biking it. Good save. You're gonna lose your corn. Oh, your zipper's busted on one side.
Too much corn.
Let's go get some taco smell. Good one. Oh, yeah, boy. Good time.
Oh, nice out.
It is nice. Look at that.
Alright, well, I'm still stopping at the auto parts really quick.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that. Some bitch.
Hey, why is it on my eyes?
Watch it, buddy. Got a choker. It's cold.
I did the same too.
Where are they going?
You even have jackets in there. Rain jackets.
In there?
I don't think she'll be able to tell by it, but maybe.
Look at those bikes getting soaking wet.
I know, a whole bunch of idiots.
You guys on those.
I know, idiots on the bikes today.
Look at him with his arm up.
He's all like, you didn't break a nail, did you? You're a good woman. Looks like blue skies to me. Oh shit, power out. Oh boy.
No power. Got lights out.
I'm gonna take the long cut. Even though we got rained on a few times, we're not going to let that stop our fun. Smell gas.
I guess. It's falling out of that trailer.
Holy shit, it's gas.
Oh my god. It was like pouring out.
You got like gas pouring out of the back of your trailer. Holy fuck.
Somebody throws a cigarette butt out and there's
Oh
gonna be
my
an
God.
explosion.